Most folks think they're running the grill, but the truth is, the fire's running them. You can see it in every flare-up, every panic vent adjustment, every cook that just gets away from them. That's what happens when you try to fight the fire instead of learning its rhythm. You can't muscle a flame into obedience. You have to earn its respect. If you think about it, every cook starts with chaos. Fresh coals, wild heat, smoke that bites. Most folks rush that moment. They dump the food on too soon and spend the rest of the cook chasing control. The patient griller waits, lets the fire settle, because when the edge burns off and the glow evens out, that's when control begins. Fire rewards awareness, not guessing. The sound of the sizzle, the color of the smoke, the way the fire breathes, those are all signals. If you're not paying attention, you're not cooking, you're just reacting. And when the heat spikes, don't panic. Don't start fiddling with your vents. Step back, breathe, diagnose. Because the fire isn't out to get you. It's only doing what fires do, responding to what you fed it. If you feed it too much fuel, not enough air, the fire isn't angry. It's just being honest. Real control isn't established by force. It's achieved by precision, knowing when to push, when to pull, and when enough is enough. If you think about it, a lot of flare-ups start with ego. You get a little too confident, start feeling like you've got it all figured out. That's when you start treating the fire like it's a problem. And when you do that, it'll always be one. Man, the best grillers, they don't force heat, they guide it. They feed the fire right, they give it room to breathe, because balance, not power, is what keeps your cook steady. Patience, presence, precision. That's the rhythm that turns chaos into craft. And you don't fight that rhythm, you learn to trust it. So stop fighting the fire, flow with it, respect it, and you'll find out that's what the fire's been trying to teach you this entire time. If you're ready to stop guessing and start mastering your fire, grab our fire management guide. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching Daddy DIY Grilling. Until next time, grill boldly, serve proudly, and enjoy the process. I want to give a big shout out to our channel members. It's because of your generous support that we're able to keep creating and sharing these grilling resources. You're a huge part of this community, and we couldn't do it without you.